Hello and welcome back to the Miata build series. Today is a fun day because I'm going to be installing my brand new Cobalt, new and improved catback exhaust system. So I'm hoping this thing sounds awesome, and yes, right now I'm just hoping it sounds awesome and looks cool. So yeah, let's get into some shots of what the exhaust looks like and sounds like right now, and then we will get into the install. Alright, so now we're going to move on to some driving shots from the interior of the car with the top up and the windows up so that you guys can hear what it sounds like from my perspective. The reason I'm doing top up and windows up is because of wind noise, so let's get into it. I actually don't think that the current one sounds bad or anything. It's just really ugly, and I know that it can sound better, so yeah. Now I'm going to get the back of the car up on some jack stands. Check out this rusty, well, surface rust, old exhaust that we're going to get out of there. It's from all the way down there to the end. And you can see the sway bars we put in as well. Alright, I'm going to spray some WD-40 on some bolts and then let them sit for a minute so that my job is a little bit easier when it comes to removing it. Ooh. Got it. Got it? Nice, that was not that bad. Nice. Your rubber mallet? Yep. There it goes. It's loose, it's loose. We should be able to disconnect the hangers and pull it out. Yeah. What?
Probably a big screwdriver.
Okay. What for?
To push this. Well, maybe not.
Do we need to get that hanger out?
Yeah, this is welded to this.
Okay, I see. I understand. You want a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we got the bolts and the first two hangers off with the screwdriver. Next up is this hanger on the muffler.
So here's my method. Stick the screwdriver through from the back side till you get it past the end, and then pry it off.
Nice. So then we gotta do two more, and then the exhaust will be not hanging anymore.
Big. Here we go. Here we go. Don't tear. Do not tear.
That would be the worst.
Yes, we don't want to tear these. They're in really good condition though, so
Yeah.
I'm not too concerned about tearing them. Oh, they're tough.
There you go.
Yeah, well, maybe. Come on, baby.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, so now the exhaust is not hanging, it's just resting on
It's resting on
this bar
frame
right here. So now we have to figure out how to get it out. Yeah, it's going through.
It will not go on there. Rubber mallet.
Nice. I think it is.
Sweet. I can put this back on, right? Because the other one.
Yeah. Nice. Check it out. Cool, except it goes the other way. Nice. The old exhaust is completely out in a matter of like 30 minutes. Not bad at all. Just really quick before we continue, look at the difference in how nice the new stuff looks versus the old stuff. All right, so we are going to hang the muffler first and then loosely connect the downpipe to it and then tighten everything up from the front to the back. So my camera ran out of storage and I don't know when that happened, but we got those bolts tight down there. We got these bolts tight on here and everything is hung up. And so now, before we lower the car and start it up, I'm going to use a microfiber towel and wipe down the whole exhaust, because if you don't do this and you start the car and it gets hot, any fingerprint that you have on the car will get burned into the exhaust and you'll never be able to take it out. So make sure you do that. So I'm gonna get that taken care of and then we'll lower the car and we will see how it sounds. This is the last time this thing will look so clean, so I figured I would take another quick video of it. It looks so good down here. So it's installed and it sounds awesome from the outside. Let's see what it sounds like from the inside. Okay, so I thought everything was perfect, but of course something had to go wrong. Right here, after the differential splits off, when we were revving it, it wasn't a problem because this wasn't moving, but when I'm driving, this spins, and as you can see, right here, it hits the exhaust and makes a knocking sound. So basically what I've been doing so far is I've been pulling really hard on the rubber hangers to try and make them come down just enough, or even just like this one can get turned this way. So I've been trying to mold it so that it does that and then clear over here. And it's worked a little bit, but I'm gonna keep working at it. All right, my dad is gonna turn the car on and I'm gonna watch and see if I fix the problem. It no longer rests there. So, oh my God, it sounds amazing now. Yep. All right. Yeah. So for the time being, before I order new exhaust hangers, we've sort of had a ghetto solution of combining two hangers to make it hang lower, hanging it there and there. And now we're rigging up a wire or some sort of suspension to pinch these two together, which will make the exhaust tip go from being there to being more centered. So that's the current situation. I mean, we're just trying to make it not hit right there. So yeah, our temporary solution is seeming like it'll work. The exhaust tip is in an appropriate location, sticking out the back, and it looks really good. And we're not looking like we're gonna be hitting back there. But now we can test. Okay, it's time for road test number 2. About to find out. Alright, I didn't pull very hard because I know how it's all being held up back there. But so far, so good. It sounds amazing from in here. I don't know if it comes across on camera, but to me, I can hear how it sounds out the back, and it sounds sweet. Up this video in here. I'm gonna go online tonight and over the next couple days search for exhaust hangers that are a little bit lower, and then get rid of the whole ghetto design that we have right now. But other than that one issue, this thing has been awesome. It sounds great and it looks great. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.